One of the things that I really love about living in New Jersey is that we get to see the snow. So I'm going to take you on a little walk by my lake so that you can see the snow. You can see what it's like to walk in the snow. I'm going to make a snowball. So if you like snow, then this video is definitely for you. So yesterday, we got a little bit of snow here in New Jersey where I live. And I live near this lake. I walk here every day. So I just wanted to give you a view of what's going on here. Here we go. You have to be really careful when you have that snow. It's a little bit slippery, but the ice is just starting to form on the lake here. So here, view of the lake with a bit of the snow. It takes a while for the lake to actually freeze. We need to have temperatures that are below freezing for several weeks before it will freeze solid. But you can walk on it. It is safe to walk on it when it's fully frozen, but obviously not right now, right? You can see. But it is a beautiful sight. Winter, you know, it's kind of bleak. We say bleak because all of the leaves are off the tree and they're really bare. But I think that the snow is something beautiful that we have only in the winter time. And it kind of counteracts the bleakness of the trees. You know, the color is all gone. Everything is brown. But then you have this beautiful white. And it makes the winter and the cold worth it. Oh, how I love the snow. This is only the beginning. There's so much more to come. Some people wonder, you know, what is it like to walk in the snow? What is that like? Well, I have my sneakers on because I'm actually out for a run and the road is clear so I can run. It's safe. But to walk on the snow, it's really soft, right? And it makes kind of a crunching sound. It's really cool. So some of my neighbors have put up Christmas decorations, and as you can see, even though there's only a little snow on the ground, the snow here like really enhances the decorations, doesn't it? I love the white and the green with the red and the green. I wanted to show you this decoration. These are actually live branches, which you can buy here. Because it's cold, you can put them outside your home and they'll stay green, you know, for a month or so. And this is a wreath made out of fresh pine branches. And this is a garland that's made out of live branches. And they have some garland on their lantern there. And then another wreath here on their other lantern. So here's just another example of that garland made out of the fresh pine branches on the lantern here and also on the fence. Let's make a snowball. Gather the snow together into your hands, pack it into a ball, gather and pack into a ball. Voila, snowball. I'm just admiring the view of the lake through the trees. And it's just a little bit of snow on the ground, but it's still really pretty, and there will be many more days of snow where there's a lot more snow on the ground, but it's still so pretty. And just walking down here a little bit, one last look at that lake. Merry Christmas.
I hope we get a white Christmas. Well, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like it, please share, please subscribe. Have a great day.